Starting a nonprofit organization in California can be a rewarding endeavor, but it requires careful planning and adherence to specific legal requirements. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the step-by-step process of registering and incorporating a nonprofit in the state. 1. Choose your nonprofit structure. The first step is to decide the type of nonprofit structure that best suits your organization's goals. In California, the most common options include Public Benefit Corporation. This is the most versatile structure, suitable for a wide range of nonprofit purposes. Mutual Benefit Corporation, primarily used for organizations that benefit their members. Nonprofit Religious Corporation, specifically designed for religious organizations. 2. Reserve a name. Once you've determined the structure, you'll need to choose a unique name for your nonprofit. Check the availability of your desired name with the California Secretary of State to ensure it doesn't conflict with any existing organizations. 3. Prepare your Articles of Incorporation. The Articles of Incorporation are a legal document that outlines the basic structure and purpose of your nonprofit. This document should include the name of your organization, the purpose of the organization, the names and addresses of the incorporators, the name and address of the registered agent, the duration of the organization, the powers and duties of the board of directors. 4. File your Articles of Incorporation. After completing the Articles of Incorporation, you'll need to file them with the California Secretary of State. There is a filing fee associated with this process. 5. Obtain an Employer Identification Number, EIN. An EIN is a 9-digit number assigned by the IRS to businesses and organizations. You'll need an EIN to file taxes, open bank accounts, and hire employees. Apply for an EIN online through the IRS website. 6. Establish bylaws. Bylaws are a set of rules that govern the internal operations of your nonprofit. They should cover topics such as the powers and duties of the board of directors, the election and removal of directors, the procedures for conducting meetings, the financial management of the organization. 7. Hold an organizational meeting. After filing your Articles of Incorporation, you'll need to hold an organizational meeting of the board of directors. At this meeting, the board will adopt the bylaws, elect officers, and appoint committees. 8. Register with the California Attorney General. If your nonprofit plans to solicit donations, you'll need to register with the California Attorney General's Registry of Charities and Fundraisers. This registration involves filing an initial registration form and providing information about your organization's activities, finances, and governance. 9. Obtain federal tax exemption. To qualify for tax-exempt status, you'll need to file an application with the IRS. The specific form you'll need to file will depend on the size and nature of your organization. 10. Register for charitable solicitation. If you plan to solicit donations within California, you may need to register with the California Attorney General for charitable solicitation. The specific requirements for registration can vary depending on the type and amount of fundraising activities you plan to engage in. Registering and incorporating a nonprofit in California involves several steps, but by following this comprehensive guide, you can navigate the process successfully. Now that you have a solid understanding of the registration and incorporation process, it's time to take the next step and start planning your nonprofit organization. Watch our next video to learn about the key factors to consider when developing your nonprofit's mission, vision, and goals.